Hi everyone, this is my cozy vlog and this vlog for people who inspired with art. Today I have a new order. I need to paint huge red poppies in watercolor. So I created a small sketch, tried different red colors for my composition. So now I will tape the paper and start drawing. Drawing is the base of whole painting. I know that many people don't like to spend a lot of time on the drawing, but I think it's a really important part of the process. In general, poppies attach me due to the red colors. I can play with this color and I really like it. What inspires you to start painting? Many people are waiting for inspiration, but I'm an artist and this is my job. Have a work schedule because the artist must have time to do a lot of work, promotion in social networks, planning the delivery, and communicate with the client, and in my case, teaching. So it's hard to keep a balance, but I'm trying. If I don't paint more than 3 days, I feel bad, so I don't have big breaks. Many people don't know that the watercolor technique is much harder than the oil technique, because if you will make a mistake, it's really hard to change something. I have over 8 years in art. For me, the watercolor is like meditation, and I feel like I'm shaman. And when I paint, the magic happens. I can advise to everyone to study. There is nothing more valuable than knowledge. Most of all in watercolor I love how to pigment spread inside the wet paper, and I really like to make my paintings bright, so I'm not afraid to mix different colors and to change something in my works. I paint such big paintings nearly 2 weeks, sometimes it can take me months, so it's important to have interesting breaks for your mind to refresh your eyes. Today I decided to spend time at the Palazzo Medici. It's really interesting museum with a nice garden. Now there is an exhibition of famous Italian artist Oscar Ghiglia. That's why I went there. I really liked his paintings, they inspired me, and I have an idea to return to oil paintings again. Painting catch me the most. It was small magnolia painting. I came up with the idea to make a tutorial video on how to create a copy of this work in watercolor. When I came home, I was so inspired and I want to start as soon as possible this copy. First I made the drawing with a pencil and then I created to explore the colors. My main task was to make the watercolor as saturated and opaque as oil, so that the colors would be similar to the original painting. I was was very pleased with the result. Such work will help me better understand this artist and to understand the form of this flower. If you want to paint this work with me and find a lot of tutorials, you can follow me on my Patreon account. All links you can find in description. It's time to continue working on this painting. I draw the middle of poppy. I can classify this part of work as detail. It means that red poppies will be completed soon. Detailing always takes a lot of time and required attention. The main thing not to forget to breathe. Lavender color go very well with the bright red colors in the painting. I prefer in watercolor tubes, not pens. Information about materials, art supplies, and others interesting things you can find on description. In the morning I received really good news. I sell my work on my website, so now I package my painting and send via mailbox. Also, if you love my art and want to purchase available painting, please go to my website, link you can find in description. I usually paint my large paintings horizontally, so the paint doesn't spread. Watercolor is an amazing technique. At the end of the work, I put the work upright to complete it. And now you can see my lovely cat Coconut. He is not loved when I kiss him. I'm so happy that I finished this work and I sent photos to the customer and she really loved it. So now I will prepare this work to delivery. Small tour of Florence. Usually I go by bicycle to the post office, but this time the painting was so large, so I decided to walk. Going to the post office always takes time, as it's very hot in Italy right now, but I like cycle past the Arno and enjoy the scenery. Inside the old medieval streets it's a color because of the shade and you can see a lot of details.